you guys? So, welcome in to this week's secret sauce. Today, we're whipping up a batch of Grandma's secret recipe for success. Spoiler alert here, everyone. The main ingredient is you. So, grab your apron because this dish is all about showing up, owning your journey, and taking charge of your success story. So, tasting from a spoon here, right? Here's the deal. When it gets tough, when we tend to retreat to the pantry of perfectionism, trying to whip up that perfect Facebook post or image that makes everything look just right. Here's what I know Grandma would say. She'd say, honey, stop worrying about what others think. Ain't nobody judging your casserole. Right. And so instead, open up to your inner circle. If your souffle is falling, ask for help. And if you don't have an inner circle, it's time to bake one. Relationships, like good sourdough, take time and effort, but they are worth it. Now, see, if you're the head chef in the kitchen of your own success, no one else is going to show up and whip up that perfect life for you. When you take ownership of your journey, it's like discovering the secret ingredients that makes everything taste better. And that secret ingredient is empowerment. Once you step into the kitchen and you start cooking, you'll be amazed at who shows up to help prep, stir, taste test, but they only join after they see you in action. Success is not a one chef show, it's a busy kitchen team. We need people to keep us inspired, guide us, and yes, sometimes remind us to stir the pot before it burns. But remember, showing up for others creates a ripple effect. Each time you show up for someone else, you're proving to yourself that you can show up for your own goals too. Now, let's get real. Stop serving up that perfectly filtered version of yourself. Instead, be like Grandma, be authentic, be vulnerable, and not afraid to ask for what you need, whether it's guidance, encouragement, or just a little taste testing feedback. People can only help if they know what you need. So stop expecting them to read your recipe book, hand it to them, point to the area you need help with. So here is ultimately Grandma's secret recipe for success. First, one part taking ownership, then mix in some action, season it with accountability, and garnish it with authenticity. And remember, success starts with you showing up in the kitchen. No one else can manage your recipe for greatness better than you. So here's my challenge for you guys today, not later, not next week, today. I want you to take one step, whether that means asking for help, offering up support to someone else, or just showing up for yourself in a small way that you might not have done in the past. Do it today. Get cooking, because when you manage your own success, the right people and opportunities will come to the table. So that's this week's secret sauce, served up with a side of empowerment. Now, let's get cooking.